Hey Suraj, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm good. How are you, sir?
Great. I'm also good. Can we start? Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please introduce yourself?
So my name is Singh. I have 4 years of experience in automation testing. I have started my career as a test executive in the same company I'm currently working as that. My roles and responsibility is to understand the business requirement specification and high-level scenario, and to convert them into the test cases and the automation scripts and execute them. And if I find any bug, then I have to report that to developer. After that, in my previous projects, I have used Selenium with Java, and for frameworks, I have used SMG. For build tools, I have used Maven, and for version control, I use Git, and for nightly and Fusion, I use Jenkins. For test case management and defect management, bug management, I have used Jira. That's all.
Okay, fine. Um, okay. So can you please tell me what are the tools and technologies you use for your automation?
The tools and technology I use for automations, like I said already, I have used Selenium with Java for automating the script and for reporting, for creating test reports, and for test frameworks, I've used TestNG. For adding dependencies automatically, I've used Maven. Then I have used for version control, I have used Git, and I have also used Jenkins for schedule and library.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine, great. So you use Java 17, right?
Java with Selenium.
Java, which Java version you use for your automation?
So Java 17.
Java 17.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
great. All right. So can you please tell me? Okay, fine. So can you please tell me what are the OOPS concepts do we have?
So there are four concepts that we have. There is polymorphism. That means in Java that we can write the same method in many different ways, like method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading is done in the same class, while method overriding is done in a different class that has is a relationship. And then we have the abstraction. Data abstraction in Java means hiding the necessary details, showing only what the necessary is. And then we have interference. The interference is carrying forwarding the property of parent class to child class. This was interference. And then we have encapsulation. Hide capsule binding the methods and constructions into one single capsule is what calculation is. But it basically means making all things and putting it together in a capsule and transferring to the other. So the implementation don't be shown.
Okay, fine. So can you please tell me what are the exception hierarchy do we have?
So we have the root class of the exception is throwable. Then we have checked and unchecked exception. In then we have exception and error, and then in exception we have checked and unchecked exception. So throwable, checked exception, throwable, error, exception, and in exception we have checked and unchecked exception.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Okay. Can you please tell me what is the difference between checked and unchecked exception?
So the main difference between checked and unchecked exception is that checked exception is a compile time exception and unchecked exception are the runtime exception. For example of checked exception are class not found, found exception, file not found exception, or for unchecked exception are no such element exception, null pointer exception, array out of bound index error exception, arithmetic exception like that.
Okay, all right. So what is the difference between method overloading and method overriding in Java?
So method overloading and method overloading both are the part of polymorphism in Java. In method overloading, we have done we have same method with two or three method with same name. Well, for method overloading, we need to have method with same name, but different, but they have to have different parameters or different data, different that input data. for achieving method overloading. For method overriding, there has to be is an a relation between two classes, like the parent class and the child class. So we achieve method overloading in overriding in child class by having same parameters in the as parent class.
Okay, fine. Um, so let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the difference between throw and throws keywords in Java?
Throw is used to declare a throw we use for throw keyword we use to declare a error in Java or exception in Java. While throws is used throw is used. I'm I'm, I'm confusing the word technical word what is the throw is used to throw the error and throws is used to declare that there is an error in that method that we need to handle.
Okay, fine. Can you please tell me, okay, what is mean by the upcasting and downcasting in Java?
So creating the class object of a parent class and assigning to it the child class is called the upcasting, while the reverse of it is called downcasting, creating the object of child class and assigning it to the parent class.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So let me share my screen, and I have a one question. So once you see my screen, please let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir, I already finished.
Yeah. Can you please tell me what is the difference between these two string and yeah.
Sir, the first one is the extra services, the string name one. It will be stored in string pool constant inside the heap memory. There is separate compartment for string pool constant. It will be stored there. And for the second one, it will be stored in because there is a new keyword in the starting, so it will be stored in heap memory. The difference is that only. Hello, sir, I'm audible.
Yeah. Go ahead, Suraj. You was breaking. Go ahead. What did you say?
I said that the first one that has the string name one is equal to extra services. This string will be saved in a string constant pool. While the second one string name 2 is equal to new string because there is a new keyword, it will be stored in heap memory.
Okay. So can you please tell me what is the difference between what is mean by the string constant pool and heap memory?
So a string constant pool with a compartment in heap memory that was created separately for the only string constant. Like if we have say if we just give us the example you give, if you not have used the new keyword that will have the only we have created one string in the constant pool and the other one only get the reference. While heap memory, you can create multiple with same name, and these are always stored. So there is a memory management problem with the there is no memory management problem with the string constant pool, but there is problem with the heap memory that's stored in heap memory.
Okay, nice to hear this. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what are the okay? So this okay. Can you please tell me what is meant by the okay? This is the thing we have. Can you please tell me what are the collections classes are you aware of?
So there are many collection classes: are list, there are sets, there are hash tables, there are queues, there are a list, linked list, so many.
What is the difference between list and set?
So the main difference between the list and set is that list allow duplication data, while set only use save unique data. And there another one that the list maintain the instance order while set does not maintain the instance order.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So can you please tell me what is the difference between hash set and hash table in Java?
So I forget it. Sir, I forget that. I'm not remember that right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't remember right now. I forget that.
Okay. No worry. Can you please tell me what is okay? Fine. So what is an architecture of the Selenium WebDriver?
So the architecture of Selenium WebDriver is the Selenium connected through JSON wire with the WebDriver, and the WebDriver is connected with oh, the WebDriver connected with the real web browser.
Okay. Fine. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you please tell me what are the okay? What are the uh, what are the okay? Fine. So what are the locators do we have in Selenium WebDriver?
So we have multiple locators in Selenium WebDriver. We have locator by ID, by name, by class name, by link text, by partial link text, by tag. Then we have CSS selectors. Then we have XPaths. In XPath we have two XPaths. One is relative XPath and another is accurate XPath. The difference between them is accurate XPath start with the root node of the HTML DOM and all the way to the where the locator is it is. So we have to give all the address of the all the XPaths paths in between. So it is lengthy, and if there anything change in the DOM structure, the accurate XPath become obsolete to use because it is highly risk of changing at any time. While relative XPath, we only give the address of the HTML tag by giving the partial address of the HTML DOM. So we do not need to whole DOM structure address. That's also.
Okay. So what is meant by the XPath basically? Can you please explain me in detail?
So XPath is the HTML path of the tag. Like we have multiple web elements in the web page. The XPath is the where that HTML tag in the DOM structure is to
Mm-hmm.
locate to locate that element.
Mm-hmm.
For,
Okay.
for my knowledge, I just know about that.
Okay. Which one is mostly recommendable?
So we mostly use relative XPath because the
And
absolute because in the absolute XPath we have to locate the element from the root node of the HTML DOM, which is because and if anything change in between the DOM because we had testing field and everything changed in the new builds. So if anything is changed in between the relative XPath path, the path that we have we could written in absolute XPath will become obsolete.
okay. Fine. Uh, okay, fine. Can you please tell me what is the difference between get window handle and get window handles?
While we using get window handle, it gives the window ID of the our current window. While get window handles give the ID of all the windows that are present at the time we run get window handles.
What is the return type of these both the methods?
So get window handles return type is set.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, sir. And get window is sorry, sir, I'm forgetting that.
No problem. Can you please tell me how we can add the cookies in a particular browser with the help of the automation?
We can add the cookies by driver dot get add cook driver dot manager add cookies by using that cookie handle.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to key and value we have to provide of that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, fine. Can you please tell me what is meant by the how we can take a screenshot in Selenium WebDriver?
Sir, I know how to take a screenshot, but I don't know the exact syntax correctly. I don't remember the syntax.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Can you please tell me what is the hierarchy of the test ng annotations?
The hierarchy of test entry annotation is before suit, before class, before suit, before test, before class, before method, and at the rate test annotations. And the same and following is after method, after class, after test, after suit.
Okay, fine. So can you please tell me what is mean? Okay, can you please tell me what are the oops? Okay, if you want to run the single test case multiple times, how we have to run?
So we have to use invocation count in test ng.
Sorry,
The invocation count in test ng.
invocation count. Okay, you have to use. Okay. Suppose what are the listeners are you aware of?
Sir, I have not prepared the listeners and parameters for it.
No problem. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me? Okay. Uh, okay. How you can handle the test data in a like with the help of the test engine?
So we need to use the parameterization and data that. So I have not prepared the parameterization yet. So
No problem. No problem. Let me move
listeners,
ahead. Yep. Yep. No worry. Yeah. Can you please tell me? Okay. Fine. Can you please tell me? Um, what is the difference between put and post method?
so the post method create the request of updating create the request of uploading a new data, while the put method create a request of updating the already uploaded data.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Fine. Okay. What are the status code are you aware of? Like, suppose what is the meaning of the 429 status code?
Sorry, sir, I am not prepared to state the code. Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, just a minute. What is the meaning of the? Okay, you are not aware. Okay, fine. Can you please tell me what is the meaning of the 503 status code?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
No. What is the meaning of the 502 status code?
Sir, I have not run any status code for now.
Okay, fine. So can you please tell me if you want to create a new branch from a main branch, how we have to create?
Oh, I'm forgetting the. I'm forgetting that.
Okay, no problem. Can you please tell me uh, what is the meaning of the okay. So how we can solve the merge conflicts?
Sorry, sir.
How we can solve the merge conflicts?
I don't know about that.
You don't know? Okay, fine.
No.
Okay, fine. I think I'm pretty much good from my side, Suraj. Let me stop the recording. Okay.